What's up, guys? Welcome back. We got our clutch disc in. It's over there on the bench. We're gonna go ahead and install the clutch in the engine today and get it running. I did want to drive it today, but it ended up snowing, so we're not gonna take it for a drive. We're just gonna get this thing running. So let's install this, get to work, and get this thing fired up. I didn't like how the bolts were going on, so I'm just chasing the threads with a tap, and I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall the whole thing. Just bottom it out and back it off. Alright guys, so we got the engine back in, ready to fire up. I did not put the hat on because we're just going to get it running just to make sure everything's okay. And then as soon as this goes on the ground, the turbo hat's going to be on. So let's fire this thing up. Alright guys, so it ran pretty good, no issues, no oil leaks, no fuel leaks, all the wiring works, which is awesome because it's all cleaned up. I do have to do some maintenance stuff, but I'm going to do that before next weekend because we're going to put this on the ground and hopefully make some runs if the weather holds up. So that's going to be it, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.